Hey guys, it's Marissa at KitchenTableStamper.com. Are you ready for what's cooking in the Kitchen Table Stamper online classroom for December? I have got the warm and cozy treats class for you. It's a 5-treat class. It is available online or to go. There's 5 projects in this class. We've got a little coffee and donuts box. Fun little cocoa with a marshmallow snowman. This is a door hanger. Got a fun notepad. This is good for journaling or notes. And all you need is confidence and lots of coffee. Grocery list, just a fun little project to make and give. We've also got this fun little envelope. Now this is specifically made for one of these Swiss Miss Cafe blends. Have you seen these caramel macchiato? They're coffee and cocoa blend. Isn't that cute? I'm sure a regular hot cocoa would fit in there, but for the press-on stamp set, I love all you need is confidence and lots of coffee. Caramel macchiato to be exact. Like cute. And then our, let's see here, 5th project. This is for you tea lovers, a cup of thanks. It's a fun little folder. One side you got a salted caramel tea, and on the other side a little tag where you could put a little note of thanks. Isn't that cute? So that's our warm treats class. It features the press-on stamp set from Stampin' Up, and we're also doing some embossing using the greenery folders. I love this pattern from Greenery. It looks like a sweater, doesn't it? Perfect for our warm and cozy treats. So let's talk about the class. You can take it 2 ways. You can get the treat class online only. Now the online only class has all of the instructions that you need for your 5 projects. There's no physical products included. You'll get project sheets, photographs, supply lists, measurements, step-by-step videos, process photos, all the things you need to complete the projects with your own supplies. That's $20, and it's available at the Kitchen Table Stamper store. You're gonna go kitchentablestamper.com/shop and put that product in your cart. $20 for the online only version. The online only version is perfect if you already have all these supplies, if you are a Stampin' Up demonstrator, if you have a Stampin' Up demonstrator that you love and you're going to order your supplies through her, or if you are outside of the US, you can take the class virtually. The other option is to take the class to go. Now the to-go class includes the same awesome online education. Get all the videos, the project sheets, the process photos and measurements, step-by-step written instructions and videos, but you also get a kit for each of the projects. So you'll get all your die cutting done, your paper cut and scored. You'll get a half a package of the Snowflake Splendor Designer Series paper. You'll get a full spool of linen thread and a full package of the frosted and clear epoxy droplets. I also include the treats that you see here. While supplies last, you'll get the treats in your kit. And that is $55. The $55 includes USPS priority shipping and $50 of insurance. And you can email Marissa at kitchentablestamper.com to get the kits and the supplies. Because there's full Stampin' Up products included, you have to email me and request the link for the to-go class. $55, and that includes shipping to you. If you'd like to add on the press-on stamp set, that's $27 and no additional shipping for that guy. Just let me know in your email that you'd like to add on the stamp set. If you'd like to add on the embossing folders, that's $10. Email Marissa at kitchentablestamper.com for the to-go class payment links, or buzz over to kitchentablestamper.com/shop for the online class. To order the to-go class, you have to email and pay by December 10th. I'll be ordering the supplies from Stampin' Up on December 11th. And the online class opens December 28th. If you've got any questions at all about the warm and cozy press-on treats class, email Marissa at kitchentablestamper.com. I'm looking forward to seeing you in the online classroom. Thanks for watching.